Is your glucose level high? Is the food you're eating healthy? And what about your weight? Is it in the average range or above the ideal level? You might not know, but being overweight and eating poorly can put you at risk for diabetes. Diabetes is a condition that impacts nearly 400 million people worldwide, which is just over 5% of the population. The most common type is type 2 diabetes, and it's often linked to weight gain and unhealthy eating habits. Fortunately, diabetes is not an invisible danger. Here are the symptoms of diabetes, so you can see if this applies to you. Feeling very thirsty. This is a common sign of diabetes because when blood sugar levels are high, the kidneys work overtime to remove excess sugar through urine, leading to more frequent dehydration. Increased hunger. With type 2 diabetes, cells don't get glucose for energy, making the body think it's fasting. The only way the body can get more energy is through food, which can increase hunger levels. Constant fatigue. Feeling tired all the time is another symptom of type 2 diabetes. Slow healing wounds. High blood sugar levels cause wounds to heal more slowly. This is a sign of type 2 diabetes, especially when sugar levels are very high. Blurred vision. Blurry vision is another symptom of diabetes. High blood sugar causes the lens in the eye to swell, altering its shape and reducing focus, which blurs vision. Lower immunity. Diabetes weakens the immune system, reducing the body's ability to fight infections. Thus, diabetes can make one more sensitive to tooth decay and other infections. How to prevent the condition. Diabetes often results from a lack of physical activity, poor dietary choices, and not exercising regularly. Those who are depressed or sleep less than 6 hours a night are also at higher risk. The best way to protect yourself from diabetes is to eat healthily. Try to cut down on sugar and excess carbs in your diet. Here are some natural remedies that may help manage diabetes and improve your health. Onion and lemon broth. Grate an onion and strain it through a clean cloth to extract the juice. Mix this with the juice of a lemon, undiluted with water. Drink this mixture twice daily. Regularly check your glucose and cholesterol levels to see how it's working. Raw garlic in capsules. Garlic has many health benefits and is often used to help prevent and treat various illnesses. Recent studies show that garlic can boost insulin secretion, the hormone that helps convert glucose into energy, aiding in managing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, eating large amounts of raw garlic can lower blood glucose levels. Using garlic. To gain the benefits of garlic, eat it raw regularly. Remember, cooking garlic reduces some of its beneficial properties. If the taste is too strong for you, try garlic capsules or garlic oil. The recommended dose is 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams of garlic oil daily, equal to 1 to 2 raw cloves. Garlic water. Another way to enjoy garlic's benefits is to drink garlic water. Add 1 chopped garlic clove to a 200 milliliters glass of water. Let the garlic infuse into the water throughout the day. At the end of the day, discard the garlic. Note: avoid drinking milk, as it creates mucus in the body, which can lead to infections and other issues. Excessive garlic consumption can cause digestive problems and irritate the stomach lining. These tips do not apply to people allergic to garlic, pregnant women, nursing mothers, children under 4 years, or individuals pre- and post-surgery, since garlic can reduce platelet production. Now that you know how to spot the symptoms of diabetes and use garlic's benefits, see what method works best for you to prevent type 2 diabetes.